The story revolves around a young man named John who has a passion for music but is struggling to make it into the industry. After a few failed attempts, he becomes discouraged and considers giving up on his dream. One day, he meets an elderly man at a park who encourages him to keep pushing forward. The old man tells John that the only way to succeed is to keep trying and never give up. He reveals that he's been in the business for years and shares a few tips on how to make it in music. John takes the advice to heart and begins working harder than ever before. Soon, his efforts begin to pay off as he starts making progress in his career. He joins a band and goes on tour, gaining more experience and exposure each day. Eventually, John's hard work pays off, and he earns a record deal with one of the biggest labels in the industry. As he watches his dreams come true before him, he remembers,